Hi everyone, so today we are going to see how to configure Windows 365, a cloud PC offering from Microsoft. So what exactly is Windows 365? As I told you, it's a cloud PC which can be accessed by any of the business users or end users from anywhere over the internet. Earlier, Microsoft introduced Azure Virtual Desktop, which is the similar thing for any of the companies. Now, what exactly is the major difference between a Windows 365 and Azure Virtual Desktop? Windows 365 is managed by Microsoft. AVD is managed by any of the organizations. Windows 365, we will see it is very easy to set up, whereas on AVD you need expertise on the Azure side. Windows 365 can be managed through your MECM or SCCM portal, whereas AVD is managed through your Azure portal. From the licensing point of view, Windows 365 PC can be assigned to an individual user, whereas on AVD it can be assigned to individual or through pooled desktops. One of the major difference which I see over here is that on Windows 365 you have fixed monthly cost per user. Once you have decided the sizing, you have to pay whatever is the price, whereas on the AVD side you can save some cost depending on how much you have used that particular PC. So typically when you are configuring it, you have to go ahead and assign a license to the user, connect it with the on-premise network or Microsoft network. Both options are available. You can use your custom uploaded image or a Microsoft provided image, create a provisioning policy and start using Cloud PC. You have to access windows365.microsoft.com to access your Cloud PC over the browser, or you can download a RDP to access this PC. You can manage it through Endpoint Manager portal. It can be resized and reprovisioned. Let's see how the Cloud PC works on the portal. Okay, so we are on the Windows 365 Admin Center, and under your billing purchase services, when you search for Windows 365, you get three options. One is Enterprise, Business, and if your company falls under any hybrid benefit, go ahead and choose the hybrid benefit. When you click on the details, that's where it goes ahead and asks you to select a particular plan. Depending on what size you go ahead and choose, it goes ahead and gives you the pricing. They do give you a free trial offer, but depending on size, you can see the pricing. So I've selected 8 CPU and 32 GB. It gives me $132 a month. If I go ahead and select a lower size, then it comes down to $31. I will go ahead and select a trial version with one license and associate this particular license with one of my users who will go ahead and use the Cloud PC. Now on your Endpoint Manager, you will see that under devices there is an option which is known as Windows 365. Right now there is no license available. That's why you don't see any of the options over here. Once I go ahead and assign this license to one of my users, then you will see that under my Windows 365, I'm able to see the other options to configure it. So let me go ahead and first assign this license to one of my users. I will use my administrator user to go ahead and use Cloud PC. So under license, you will see there is a new option available. There you go. So Windows 365 and the sizing, go ahead and save changes. Once you have saved changes, it will take some time to go ahead and enable these particular options which you will see under your Windows 365. Okay guys, so you can see now under my Windows 365, I get all the options to configure my Cloud PC. I can go ahead and upload my custom images. As of now, we would be using the Microsoft images. Very first thing is provisioning policy. So create a policy, and under your create policy, whatever name you want to go ahead and give, I'm going ahead and giving FT. Whether my PC would be Azure AD join or hybrid AD join, as of now I'm choosing Azure AD join. I don't have any connected network, so I won't go ahead and use any Azure network, Microsoft hosted one. Which region you want to go ahead and place your PC totally depends on which region your subscription is based out of. Now this is where there are gallery or custom image options. I don't have a custom image, so gallery image, and go ahead and select the images which are available. You can see Windows 11, Windows 10, along with Office 365 OS optimization. These are the few options which are available. I'm going ahead and selecting Windows 11 Enterprise. Next, there is a Windows auto patch service, but it's in preview, so I cannot go ahead and associate right now. We'll configure none. Whom do you want to go ahead and assign to a particular group? So in this particular case, we will go ahead and assign it to a group where my MOD administrator is there. So let's say IT group. Next, create. And once you have created this policy, you will see that it goes ahead and takes some time to go ahead and provision it. Right now I have already gone ahead and provisioned one of the policies which I did earlier. Once this particular thing is done, under your cloud PC you can see there is a cloud PC available. Now I need to go ahead and access this particular cloud PC. As I told you earlier, we have to go and access windows365.microsoft.com, and the moment you go ahead and open this particular portal, it will ask you to sign in with the right user. Since I'm using MOD administrator, you will see it logs in onto the portal, and one of the options it goes ahead and gives you is open in the browser. Click on open in the browser, and that's where it will log you inside the cloud PC which is already created. The other option which is available is downloading the RDP, installing, and then again signing in. It will connect with your cloud PC the way you do a typical RDP. We'll wait for some time to see this particular cloud PC to get connected in the browser. Then we'll see the RDP option. Right guys, so you can see I have got an option of connecting. Click on connect, and depending on your internet speed, it will go ahead and connect with your cloud PC. And there you go, you can see the cloud PC is getting connected. Right, so you're connected with the cloud PC, and you can see Windows 10 is available to me with Office installed. I can go ahead and make it full screen if I want. I can go back to the normal screen. So the other way of going ahead and connecting with your cloud PC is downloading the RDP option. It gives you different options available. We'll go ahead and download the 64-bit RDP and connect to our cloud PC. So once you have gone ahead and downloaded the remote desktop, it will go ahead and ask you to connect, that is sign in. Once you have signed in, you will be able to see the cloud PC option. Double click on the cloud PC option and it will give you the sign in option on your remote desktop. Enter your credentials, okay, and that's where you are connected with your cloud PC. So this is how you provision the cloud PC to your end users. Thank you guys for watching this video. My name is Pradeep Rane, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.